So in my first YouTube video, I shall be showing you how to replace the indicator bulbs in your Saab 9.3. So let's have a look at them. Now I don't know if you can see, but the left hand one is particularly pale. It's almost white. That came up as an advisory on my MOT last year. So I need to get it done. So what do? Open the boot, and inside here there should be a lid to open this bit of carpet here. Fortunately on mine it's actually missing, but if you put your hand inside, reach for the bulb holder, give it a twist and a bit of a yank, out it comes. Oh my goodness, look at that bulb. You can see that the orange paint on it is peeling away. That's why it is like it is. So let's get that off. Hopefully we should just have to twist it. Oh, here it comes. There we go. Oh, look at that, the paint's just dropping off. See all the orange paint over my fingers. So what am I replacing it with? I have these Osram Chrome. Now they've got a kind of silver look to them, so that when they're in position you shouldn't see them. So let me get these in for you. I'm just going to stop recording for a minute while I get them out of the packet. Right, so here is the bulb. As you can see, it's got a reflective outer coating, so when they're in here you shouldn't see any orange light whatsoever until they're flashing. So as you can see, I'm holding it with a cloth. You should always handle bulbs. Shouldn't handle bulbs with bare fingers. That's to prevent oil from your skin getting on them. So let's just put that in. Right, so it's now in the holder. Excuse my fingers. Let's just get it in the lens right now. Right, twist it and it's in. So let's see how it goes. Much better. And when the light's off, you can't actually see it in the lens. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and well, this is my first video, so subscribe if you want. Thank you.